Hey everyone, and welcome. You know that feeling when you're just drowning in a sea of mascara options? Well, consider us your personal mascara matchmaker. Today, we are going to find your perfect formula for your unique lashes. Let's just dive right in.
I mean, who hasn't been there, right? Standing in the makeup aisle, staring at a wall of tubes that all promise the world, length, volume, curl, it's a lot. But the good news is we're going to solve that today. I've got a super simple quiz that's going to lead you straight to your perfect match.
Okay, let's get into it. Step 1 is all about your lashes. We've got to know what we're working with before we can find the perfect product for it. All right, first question. I want you to take a really good look in the mirror. What do you see? Are they long, super short, kind of invisible? Being totally honest about your starting point is truly the most crucial step in this whole process.
Okay, here are your choices. Do you have A, lashes that are kind of sparse, maybe barely visible, or B, they're long but just don't have that oomph, that fullness? How about C, thick, short, and naturally curly, or maybe D, short and straight? Could it be E, that they're really light in color and just hard to see? Or are you one of the lucky ones with F, long, thick, and dark lashes? Pick the letter that sounds most like you and just jot it down.
Got your letter? Awesome. So now that we know your lash type, let's talk about what you want them to look like. Step 2 is all about your dream lash look.
This is all about performance. What do you actually need your mascara to do for you? Are you looking for something that won't budge all day long? Or maybe something you can layer on for huge volume? Let's figure it out.
So what's your number one priority here? Is it A, something that's totally long-lasting and smudge-proof? Or B, all about that buildable volume? Maybe C, you want crazy dramatic length? How about D, you want the best of both worlds, lengthening and volumizing? What about E, just defining those light-colored lashes? Or F, you just want to accentuate what you've already got? Go with your gut and pick the letter that speaks to you.
Okay, last question, I promise. This is the final piece of the puzzle. Picture this. You've just put on your mascara, you look in the mirror. What's that one word you want to think? What's the ultimate goal? Let's lock it in. Is your vibe A, fuller, B, defined, C, longer, D, dramatic, E, darker? Or, hey, maybe you're like me and you want F, all of the above. Grab that final letter. Okay, you did the work, you answered the questions, you've figured out your lash goals, and now for the really fun part, it is time for the big reveal. All right, grab your notes, look at the 3 letters you picked. Which one popped up the most? A, B, C? Go ahead and count them up, because that one letter is about to unlock your perfect mascara match.
Ready to meet your mascara soulmate? Based on your answers, we have found the ideal one for you. Let's see the results.
Okay, so if you got mostly A's, you are looking for a mascara that can handle absolutely anything. Your perfect match is the Mary Kay Great Heights Waterproof Mascara.
Yep, this one is all about endurance. It's smudge-proof, it doesn't care about humidity, and bam, you get an instant boost of length. So for those of you with sparse lashes who need your makeup to last through a long day or even a tough workout, this is your go-to.
All right, for all my B people out there, your goal is buildable, beautiful volume. Well, say hello to your new best friend, Lash Love Mascara.
Did you catch that? 4 times the volume. If you've got long lashes but you're just craving more fullness, this buildable formula is your answer. It creates this really soft, plush, fluffy look that won't weigh your lashes down.
Next up, if your answers were mostly C's, you're chasing some seriously dramatic length. Your ideal partner in crime for that is the original Mary Kay Great Heights Mascara.
Get ready for this number, 43%. That's a massive 43% boost in how long your lashes look with just one single coat. If you've got short, curly lashes and you just want them to look like they go on for days, this formula is designed to separate and lengthen even the tiniest hairs, all without clumping. Okay, now for my D's. You guys don't like to choose, do you? You want it all, length and volume. I totally get it. Your match is the Lash Intensity Mascara, and its secret weapon is its amazing brush.
This one is a true multitasker. It's built for that dramatic, expanded look. You see, the brush has short bristles to build up that volume right at the base of your lashes, and then longer bristles to stretch the formula all the way out to the very tips. It's pretty genius.
If you chose mostly E's, what you're really looking for is definition, especially if you have lighter lashes.
Your perfect match is the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara.
This is the perfect solution for anyone with light-colored lashes because it provides definition without ever looking too harsh. And the fact that it comes in a black-brown shade, that's a game changer for a beautiful, natural enhancement. Your lashes look darker and more defined, but still authentically you.
And finally, for those of you who answered mostly Fs, you want the complete package, the whole shebang. So meet your versatile, does-it-all hero, the Lash Love Panorama Mascara.
This mascara is for those who want it all: definition, volume, and this incredible fanned-out panoramic effect. It takes lashes that are already great and just makes them look absolutely phenomenal. So, you've met your match. The only question left is, what incredible look are you going to create first?